In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Goodwall app. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to install the right Goodwall app, you need to go ahead and go to Play Store on your Android smartphone, and from Play Store, go ahead and search Goodwall just like that. And then using the search icon here is the app. Now you can see we have our app here. This is the right app, Goodwall Learn and Earn app. It is from Goodwall company, and at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.5 with over 17,000 reviews. Currently, the app has over 1 million downloads and the file size is around 47 MBs. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and install the latest version of Goodwall app on your smartphone. And once the app is installed, it will be available for use. So you can go ahead and tap on this open, or if you go back, now you should be able to see on your apps here. Go ahead and open it to start using it. So that's how you can get the latest, or that's how you can install Goodwall app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.